Let's get the latest on a Weather Authority alert with Josh.
All right, Michael, this time around, it's not a big snowstorm for Syracuse. I'm going to repeat that sentence. Not a big snowstorm for Syracuse. This is a lake effect snow event. Lake effect snow warnings seem appropriate for this type of scenario because it's going to be confined, again, locations way north of Syracuse, northern Oswego County, Jefferson County, Lewis County, the Tug Hill region, and kind of brushing at times in northern Oneida County. The alert stays in effect all the way through Friday. All right, driving conditions timeline. Tonight, there will be mostly wet roads happening now. Lots of glare on the road, so you got to slow it down. Shine on your eyes, of course, is tough to see sometimes. Then overnight, there could be some slushy / icy roads and still some of that shiny glare, making it tough to see once in a while. Now for Thursday, I think the morning time, some slushy, icy roads. The temperatures will start out near and just below freezing. We get colder as we go through the day. So the afternoon time, still icy, and at times where the roads are treated, wet, but then they come back to being icy at times as we go Thursday night into Friday morning especially. Here in Syracuse, we'll watch out for greasy and icy roads during that time frame when you drive out Friday morning where you have to go. And up and across North Country, continuing to see this time frame, Thursday night especially, intensifying lake effect snow with whiteout conditions north and south on 81 from Oswego County to Jefferson County and all the usual suspects, the towns and villages up that way. Live triple Doppler sponsored by Falso Service Experts. It's a cold rain here in Syracuse. Same thing out through the thruway in the Mohawk Valley here in northern suburbs of Oneida County. From Marcellus down to Camillus, Tully, Fabius, Pompey, out to Kaz, DeRuyter, and towards Hamilton, wet snow at times sticking and mixing in. We're still at 40 though right now at the airport in Syracuse, elsewhere 30s. Here is the total snow map. Syracuse area, not much, quite a wide range here from a trace to as much as 3 inches. This is from tonight, which is not going to be much. Tomorrow, not going to be much, to as much as 3 inches by the time we get the Friday afternoon, evening. All right, zooming in the Tug Hill area, you can see right here, Watertown probably seeing at least a foot, maybe more than that. Adams, same thing, but circling right in here, the Tug Hill zone. I'm doing a tight zoom on this. Worth, Barnes Corners right along this route here, Route 177, Pinckney up to Copenhagen. We're talking 2 to upwards of 3 feet up that way. Here in Syracuse, only up to 3 inches over the next couple days. Not much. 20s tonight, 20s tomorrow. At times is cold, some partial sun, lake snow brushing enough of Lake Erie once in a while. Friday cold in the 20s with lake snow up north. The weekend looks good. Quiet weather for the game on Saturday. Sunday morning looks good for grocery shopping. Afternoon a little mix and then some rain and warmer temperatures, 40s near 50 next week. All right, you can brighten the holidays for a child in need this season. CNY Central and the U.S. Marine Corps Reserve are partnering for our Toys for Tots campaign. You can come to our drive-thru tomorrow at 1030 James Street right here in Syracuse from 5 to 6:30 p.m.
Thank you, Josh. Mr.